My name is Muyama Claire, a volunteer at the Uganda Red Cross Society, Mbale branch. My idea in the previous video presentation was empowering the youths with ICT skills so that they can be in position to access online studies, and this would help reduce school dropouts amongst the youths. This was due to the outbreak of the pandemic, whereby many youths found it difficult to access online studies because they didn't have ICT knowledge on how to access these platforms like e-learning, Google Meet, Zoom, among others. I identified the people I need to talk to and listen to, and these were the stakeholders, for example, the youth leaders, community members, some of the parents, government leaders, local leaders, and also involved the village health team because this was a result of a health issue. I gave some members a goal sheet to fill in, whereby I used different ideas to come up with the project goal. The campus helped me realize on my individual strength due to the empathy I have for the youths undergoing this challenge. Campus helped me reflect on my experience, where I have also been a victim of school dropout due to the lack of ICT skills on how to access online studies. This tool indeed helped me realize my innovation focus, which involves the change that I want to make from now, even without funding in the next coming years, and also create connections for lobbying funds from different organizations, government, to help in the sustainability of my project. For example, I was able to share with one of the members of parliament in my community. I also formulated questionnaires whereby I managed to gather different ideas and welcomed all ideas. I carried on an experiment hypothesis whereby I posted my idea on my WhatsApp status, whereby I got more ideas through comments, which helped me in designing my prototype. My main innovation is empowering the youths with ICT skills to help them access online studies, whereby I had to test my prototype using the feedback matrix, which showed that the youths were positive about acquiring this skill. I found that many of the institutions around and within my community do not teach these youths on how to access online studies. They assume that everyone knows, and this has made many youths disadvantaged. And with the sustainability of my project, I would extend it to the Ministry of Education so that they help such youth, since most of the institutions have now adopted the blended learning, whereby there is online studies and physical studies, so that many youths may not be left behind due to the lack of knowledge on how to access these online studies. Since most of the institutions have adopted the blended learning, which is the mixture of online learning and physical learning, I would also move to the institutions to train them on how to access online studies, and also create a Moodle platform. With further seed funding, I would buy gadgets like laptops, tablets, to train these youths on how to access online studies, and also create our e-learning Moodle platform, which will help these youths on how to access online studies through training them through using this Moodle app that we shall create in future. And also with this, I'll do follow-ups, lobby more funds from different organizations, and so on. I would end by appreciating the Solferino Academy for giving me such an opportunity to test my prototype through the first seed funding. Thank you.